Ko aura ki te maunga, ko waita ki te awa, taki timu te waka, ngai tua huriri te hapu, ngai tahu te iwi, he uri tēnei no tāre tauhoka, ko wai paunamu te karu tōku ingoa. Go to kai for dinner usually has to be something like easy and quick because of my show hours. So I'll do like an easy pasta and top it off with mozzarella cheese. It is figure looking good. What's something you've done that would impress your younger self? Definitely traveling overseas. Never thought I'd do that. I've been to Chile, Italy, Rarotonga, and the Singapore airport count as well. What's a phrase you overuse but can't stop saying? I think I have two. One is hard and one is actual. Just those two. If TahuFM was a person, what kind of mate would they be? Oh, they would be a vibe. They would be into hip hop R&B. They'd be fun, lighthearted, very Māori as well, connected to anything Māori, and someone who everyone wants to be a friend with, like, you know, that person who everyone wants to be a friend with. If your life had a soundtrack, what song would play when you enter a room? That's a hard question, eh? But I'd have to go with Anderson .Paak's Come Down. Just imagine the song playing as you're entering the room. You know, wait for the beat to drop.
Got me hot.
Hey! Everyone be like, who is that? As you're like entering the room, even with the slow-mo walk, you know?
Got me hot.
You know, you can't help but bop to that song. It's me. What's your fun fact that's actually a flex? Here's a fun fact. I was driving from Kaikoura back to Christchurch with a friend, and I'm not even exaggerating or anything. We laughed the whole way home, like belly laughed too. I'm not even joking. Ask her. Chelsea is her name. Describe working at TahuFM in 3 words. Whānau, fun, and vibes.